Okay, this tip is talking about the condenser fan motor. The condenser fan motor is one of the first things to fail in the AC unit. And if you look on the condenser, this is a condenser, so this is a split system, but it looks similar if it's a package unit. If you can get up on the roof, if you can get to the condenser, right below this grill is a motor. If you can see in here, there's a gray motor. So it's the motor below the grill and on top of the blades. When the outside of that motor should be gray or painted in color. When that motor is overheating, it will burn off the paint. When the paint burns off, then the motor will rust. When the motor rusts, it's a sign that that motor's been overheating and that motor should be replaced because it's probably overamping and overheating. Because the condenser fan motor has a thermal overload inside. What a thermal overload does is senses temperature. When that fan's temperature gets to about 160 degrees, it will shut off and no longer work. Then the compressor overheats and it shuts off on its thermal overload. And so then the unit blows warm air. But then the thing is, when the motors cool off, they will start up again. So it can act like a senior moment. So it can be working at one time, and then the next time you look at it, well, it's not working now, but it was working earlier. And usually that happens in the heat of the day, because the motor can't overcome the heat of the day when it's in direct sunlight. That motor will overheat, and then usually at night you will notice it, well, it's working now. So that's how to tell for a condenser fan motor. When there's heavy rust on the outside of that motor, there's a very good chance that it's overheating and overamping and should be replaced.